What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. I'm excited as fuck today, okay? So today we gonna do some free giveaways. So, first thing first, I'm gonna give away um, the vector pack of the month. So I just put up a vector pack on my Gumroad store, and I'll make sure that I put the link in the description. So I'm gonna give away one. So all you have to do to qualify for the giveaway is to hit the sub button and comment. It don't matter what you say, just go ahead and comment. If you can't figure out something to say, just write what tier you're in. It's always good for me to see, what levels my audience is in. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So that's the first thing first. I'm gonna give that away. Right? So after that, I have a discount code also for the first 10 people that buy this vector pack. There's 229 different vectors to help you guys speed up your guys' design process. Just getting in a habit to stack in your libraries. I've been doing print on demand for a long time. Merch is just one piece of it. So you got to get in the habit to stacking your libraries, buying external hard drives, and just just stacking up on designs, because this is what helps me, design so quickly, because I have little pieces of designs everywhere, thousands and thousands of designs. So on this channel, I wanted to hit another angle, you know what I'm saying? Doing things a little differently. So I'm gonna be helping you guys out with these vector packs every month. Um, Depending on how it goes, I might do more than maybe twice a month, but we'll see how this goes. Um, so right now it's up for $19.99, but for the first 10 people that put in this discount code, um, which is my merch 420. So the code is my merch 420. I'm gonna make sure I put all of this in the description if you miss anything. So yeah, you guys go grab this. It's really a no-brainer. But stay to the end of the video, because I'm gonna show you guys um, a couple of things that I have in there, and I'll let you know how to utilize it, or I might just make a whole design video for this. Either way, you guys let me know in the comments what you guys want. But yeah, so the first 10 people, $10. That's like 4 cents um, a design, really. So that ain't shit. So just go cop it, and go support the channel. And yeah, so that's that. The other thing that I'm giving away, yeah, don't wait to the end now. Wait to the end now. We got more, okay? So I have another font pack for you guys for this month. Let's see, hold on. Oh, wait. So yeah, this is the vector pack. I didn't know I had it open already. So um, I got a bunch of different shit in here. We got different hand gestures, different controllers, Bitcoin, baseball, different masks, beer, weed, different 4th of July stuff, um, the pro black stuff, baby shower stuff, alcoholic beverages. So we got a little bit of everything. Some summer stuff, some guns, all type of shit. So a lot of things that will help you. This is just to show you guys a little bit of what's in there. There's so much shit, so I can't just put one picture of everything. So that's just a little preview of what it is. So you guys go cop that. And then also the free font. Let's see, is that it? Okay, so I'm also giving away this font, but you don't have to do anything to enter this. You just need the discount code. So this is the font pack May right now. Um, and the discount code is free shit. Because we all love free shit. Ain't nothing better than free shit. So that's the code right there. So you just type that in on this one, font pack of the month, May. And you should get it for free. So the first 100 people that get this, will get it for free. After that, I think I have it up for like $2 or something. I want to keep everything affordable because we're all entrepreneurs. We're all trying to find our little side hustles. We're all trying to grow. So I'm gonna help you, but I ain't gonna break you. You know, I'm gonna put you guys on. Okay, so yeah, you guys go do that. Get these free fonts. It'll definitely help you out. Let's see, what else do I have for you guys? So yeah, it's 15. They're all copywritten free. They're all things that I've either made myself or purchased with my resellers permit, all that. I have thousands and thousands and thousands of fonts and vectors. So I'm gonna keep them coming. You guys just let me know what type of stuff you guys want, and I'll make sure I include it in the next pack. Um, I think that's all we got for this video. Oh, before we go, hit that sub button if you guys want to be a part of the giveaway. And just wanted to show you guys my numbers on who's subscribed and who's not subscribed. It grows every week when I show you guys, you know, our subscribers and stuff. But there's still 76% of you guys that just been watching me and not subbing. Just make sure you hit the sub button if you're really a supporter and you want to see me grow. Hit the sub button. It just helps out the channel. Helps me be able to commit more time to the channel because there's money coming in. So you guys help me get monetized, and I'll help you guys on your journey. Okay, so. But that's all I got for this video. Make sure you guys attack that comment section if you guys want to be a part and get this giveaway, get this free giveaway, get these vector packs. It's going to help out. But that's all I got for this video. Till next time.